Hi, I'm Michael.
And my name is Lucas.
And today you are going to learn to make closed captioning, MaxBunny1786 style. Here are the rules. First, each caption row should have 32 character line limit. Second, it must have a correct spelling and punctuation. Third, use two prefixed greater than sign symbol to indicate a change in speaker. For example,
now I'm started speaking and the symbol shows.
And now another symbol shows what I'm started speaking. Fourth, closed captions describe sound effects in round brackets with spaces and all lowercase. For example, fifth, an off-screen person must have speaker ID, for example.
Now I'm off screen and the speaker ID shows. Now I'm on screen.
Sixth, when speakers talking at once, three prefixed greater than sign symbol and a speaker ID like all, together, in unison, must be shown. Let's demonstrate. We are talking together and see the speaker ID and a symbol. So now you know how to make closed captioning, but we're not done yet. Would you prefer make all lines uppercase or mixed case? If you chose all lines uppercase, then sound effects and speaker IDs must be lowercase.
This is a demonstration of showing uppercase captions.
As you can see, the captions are uppercase. When it's uppercase, you see the speaker ID is all lowercase. Now back to mixed case. In some mixed case captions, uppercase is used for shouting. In MaxBunny1786 style, italics is used for emphasis and foreign language. What is the meaning of closed captioning? Well, closed captioning is a text-based transcription of all significant audio content in a video, including spoken dialogue, sound effects, and music cues. It is primarily designed to make audio-visual content accessible to individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing. Wait, I forgot! Seventh, caption lines duration must be limited. Minimum duration 1.5 seconds, maximum duration 5 seconds. That's it for today. We hope you make closed captions. Have fun.
Bye.
Wait, one more thing! Eighth, put music symbols when a speaker is singing.